yung t-shirt niya. Kata ba yung t-shirt mo, anak? Ayan. Diamond Jubilee. Ay, si ma'am mo, oh, nakita ko na. Ayan siya, oh. Mga kaklase. Ayan si Kalin Moms. Nagsolo na naman.
Celebrated the Passover on the evening of the 14th of the month. On the day after the Passover,
by the great line and great learners of St. John Bosco, along with the youth, showcasing the enduring faith of hope, faith, and commitment to a mission.
generations to continue his mission. The song lightly emphasizes perseverance, inspiration, and the role of the youth in keeping the spirit of education, faith, and service alive.
Moving on, let us call Ma'am Grace Carrido to share the history of our celebration and highlight the milestones that have shaped our journey.
events starting March 2025 to January 2026 in preparation of St. John Bosco Diamond Jubilee Day. St. Louis took back to Don Bosco School's alumni projects, alumni lecture series, knowledge and capacity enhancement for learners.
Alumni Legal and Medical Missions supports initiative for the community by alumni.
Alumni Days, events for alumni of the schools.
From the liturgy bodies, training workshops, training for various church ministries, lectors, commentators, extraordinary ministers for Holy Communion, altar service, and music ministry, March to December 2025.
Confirmation, sacramental preparation.
Mass wedding, group wedding event,
For our formation, recollection, spiritual retreats during Lent, and Advent.
election forum, community discussion of electoral matters, April 2025.
Jubilee Youth Conference,
Sa ating sama-samang pagkilos, ang aktibong pakikisangkot ng bawat isa, maging sa maliliit o malalaking paraan ay may malaking ambag sa pag-abot ng ating mga
so much working hard for the realization of this launching. So again, thank you very much. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. And also special participation from Pinat in the persons of Chana and Althea. Salamat po sa inyong dalawa. For estudiantes of Pinat National High School. And then also, let's give them a round of applause. And of course, our faculty member, faculty.
I showed it to Kate. Yeah, it's like
So, yun na lang anak, oh. You get one para may souvenir ka.
120 po.
You like? Yes, you get one.
Pang coffee.
Hi, ma'am. So, ayan, pauwi na kami. Tapos na ang bunso. Diamond Jubilee. 75 years na ng Don Bosco. 1951 daw nag-start.
Sa next year ang preparation pala.
Ay, parang ano pa lang pala. Preparation lang to. Parang pre-celebration. Ayan. Punta muna kaming town, moms. Buy kami ng shoes na bunso. Daming pang leather. Tapos, bunso bukas may exam ka ha. Nag-chat si ma'am. Meron silang grace exam. Ano ba yung parang nat? Exam ano anak?
Hindi ko yung exam.
Exam niyo daw bukas hanggang 12 lang pala kayo bukas. Nag-text si ma'am. Yan, may exam po sila bukas. Hanggang 12 lang sila. Tapos April 1, syempre walang pasok. Nationwide. Yan, punta kami ng town. Nag-work muna ako kanina. Sakto ma'am 10:30 yung kanilang mass na pina-attenan. Nakapag-work pa ako. Ayan. Ano yun? Dito na kami sa town, ma'am. Parang uulan na naman ng pagkalakas-lakas. Ayun si Mr. ko, moms, kukuha ng sahod. Dito muna kami ni Bunso. Tingin kami ng bags. Ito, anak ko. Next, bili na tayo ng bago mong bag. Hindi na pwede yung bag mo. Itong blue. Gusto mo ta? Ayan, moms. Bumili kami ng shoes ni Khalil. Ganitong style ang gusto niya. Ayan. Yan ang nabili namin. Balik na kami sa taas. Pwede ulit. Yung kay Bunso. Beto siya. Uwi na kami. Salamat naman. Saka hindi na naulan.
Sa paparating na eleksyon, diba? Puro kampanya na ngayon.
Haba ng pila ng taxi kasi.
Malamang-lamang.
Sobra.
May makikabay sa'yo, may ngingiti sa'yo. Diba?